It's nail mail time. Okay, so here we go. We've got our September Mani by Me box. Opening this bad baby up, and inside we see, okay, what do we got? We got some cards. Oh, and an extra piece of paper. What's that? Okay, hold on. Let me get everything out of the box. Throw the box to the side. I'll open this in a second. So it looks like they tell us what's in here, so you can have, oh, no. Oh, yeah, this is the, I'm not going to have a look at this. You guys read at your leisure. I like to be surprised. Ooh, I love the flames. Love the flames. Bootini Manicure How-To. We will be doing another video on the how-to with this. There you can pause and get the directions if you like. Yay, there are flames on this one. Yes! Oh, that's exciting. Okay, and it looks like we get some stickers. Oh, these are pretty cool. Thank you, Maniologies. Peel in place for decorative use only. And then inside, okay, so these look like our nail polishes, our plates. Oh, these are our extra items, and it looks like, I bet they're glow in the dark. Glow in the dark stickers. That's going to be very cool. Apply sticker to the nail gently, push down to remove air bubbles, cover the entire, yeah, these look really big. So last time they had some super duper thin ones, so I'm going to be interested to see how thin these are. So that's pretty awesome. Let's have a look at our MXM088 and MXM087. So here we go. Oh, I love that they did flames. Love. So we've got flames, we've got some mean looking eyes, we've got some digits, if you will, drippy looking, maybe paint, blood, whatever you like. We've got psychic, witches, cats. Very great Halloween plate. This is a great Halloween plate. So once again, thank you, Maniology. Okay, and then we have, oh, a spider web with a heart in it. That's pretty cool. You can always use bricks as a background. We've got ghosts and coffins, spider webs. I love this one. That's going to be a great one. Halloween party, just different kind of, this is an interesting way to do that one. That's pretty cool. Ghouls. So different kinds of trick-or-treat messages, candy messages. Once again, super for Halloween. That's awesome and great because I didn't order any special Halloween stuff. So that's going to be awesome. So that was MXM087 and 088. Okay, let's open up. And I remember one of the colors is very bright. Wait a minute. What's that? Okay. Oh, that's fun and exciting. Look at that. Flicker. Wow. That's kind of akin to what's on my nails right now. Ooh, I'm kind of excited about flicker. Okay. I might have to actually read up on this. So high voltage. How pigmented do we think high voltage is? It doesn't look super pigmented. You know what? Let's go ahead and swatch them and see. We'll actually do our nails first. Let's see how bright high voltage is. So this is one of their regular polishes, I believe. Whoa. Definitely going to need a coat of white underneath that. Faux sure. Is this glow in the dark? I have to read. I don't normally read the things, but I will this time. Neon yellow glow in the dark nail polish. I knew it. Okay, so definitely want some white underneath this one though. Okay, glow in the dark. That's going to be kind of awesome. Okay, and then we have our flicker color, which is really cool. A good all-around color, not just for Halloween. I like that they didn't go traditional Halloween. Oh, it's a blue. That's interesting. Ooh, fun. Wow. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the spark. Yeah, you can see the sparkles in there. You can also see it's a little translucent, so we'll get a second coat on there in a little bit. This is super duper fun. We'll have to check out how well it glows in the dark here in a little bit. Okay, let me set this aside and I'll pull out my stamping stuff, and just for funsies, we're gonna stamp the glow in the dark polish too. Okay, I pulled out my stamping stuff, and here's the one that I use every single time for stamping. So I've got things ready. I need a scraper card. Got one. Here we go. The color Flicker. I don't know how well it's gonna stamp, but man, that is a pretty color. Okay. And let's throw the stamp on top. You can definitely see the blue in it now. There we go. It's a little sticky. Really cool. Actually, it actually looks a little green now. Where'd you go? Okay, both with stamping and with our polish. Oh yeah, it's a little bumpy when drying because of all the glitters in it. Which, I mean, that's why we use a top coat. Oh, that's interesting. It kind of pulled away. Or maybe I just didn't get it because you know me. When I'm just swatching, I'm just slapping it on. Okay, and just for funsies, I'm gonna do the other color as well. You guys should know about this because it's kind of amazing. Maniology always puts their stickers on top, the Swatch Me stickers. However, you can buy them separately. And I have them because I did my whole collection with these stickers. Whether it was stamping polish or not, I wanted to know how well it stamped. So I use these on everything. Let me clean up my, this thing. Cleaned up that guy a little bit, and just for funsies, let's check out the glow in the dark stamp. I'm just curious. My guess is you're not going to be able to see it at all, but I wonder if you stamp with it, will it then like show up in the darkness? Uh-oh, maybe if I scrape it well enough. Okay, I'm just drop it down, boom. Oh man, that's super bright. Whoa, look at that on white. That is amazing. That did way, way better than I expected it to. So that is actually really cool, and I bet that is going to produce an awesome glow-in-the-dark stamp. Wow, I am excited about this actually. I'm definitely going to be including that in my Halloween manicure. Okay, I'm going to grab this sticker. I'm going to put it on the edge of this guy like this. And this is usually how I do this, so that you can see the two swatches. Usually I at least put it on straight, so I did not choose to do that today. Anyway, look how bright that is. That is absolutely 100% neon. I highly recommend. So can you imagine just for a minute what that's gonna look like over white? Let's go ahead and do another coat just for giggles. But I bet over white, it's amazing. Let's see if I can actually get all the sides of it this time. I can do it. Well, I mean, you can certainly build up the opacity with it. I mean, look already. That is bright. It looks like it's getting charged too under these lights. It looks like it's getting brighter under the lights. Let's do a second coat on this bad boy as well. This blue sparkly is a really, really pretty color. Absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna wait for these to dry a little bit, and then I'll show you what they look like once they're dry, and then I will be, I guess, reviewing everything that's in our kit. I decided to go and charge these things up a little bit so you can see them in if they glow, and holy goodness, the stickers, those are the stickers right there. The stickers are super glow in the dark. I did charge everything a little bit, so I am in a dark room. I'm gonna drop these. Oh man, they are super glowy. Now let's see if we can find the other ones. They are definitely glowing in the dark, but man, they're not super bright. Well, I tried. It doesn't look like you can see them very well on the video, but they definitely glowed in the dark. This polish was not like, it was not this. These were like boom in your face, super glowy. It definitely was not this, but it did glow in the dark, and I'm sad that I couldn't get it on video. It does glow in the dark. It is faint. It's definitely not like the stickers. The stickers are amaze balls when it comes to glowing, okay? But I think this will do, yeah, I just couldn't see it at all on the video, but it was definitely glowing. Okay, let's review everything that was in the kit, and then I will be posting a video shortly about the tutorial. So in the kit, you're going to get the 2 colors, and the 2 colors were high voltage, this glow in the dark, and then it was flicker. This really, it's blue, you guys, it's blue. It does look black though. Look, oops, that was me. It does kind of look, it's super, super dark blue. So it almost looks black. You also get, let me put that down like that. You also get your description of what's inside. You get your Boo Teeny manicure how-to. Oh, I guess, is that, no, that's not that color. Anyway, we'll find out when we do the manicure tutorial. So you get your Boo Teeny manicure tutorial. They also, thank you Maniology, threw in some Halloween stickers for us, some really cute Halloween stickers. And then as our bonus item, we had the very, very super duper glow in the dark stickers. Super excited to try those. Definitely gonna work those in with the tutorial somehow. And then we have our MXM087 and 088. This one, can't wait to try the flames because I can't ever mimic real flames, so it's so nice to actually have flames to work with. So that is your Mani by Me for September. Okay, peeps, if you love Maniology as much as I love Maniology, feel free to go to maniology.com, use my code GrooveMama, and you're going to get yourself 10% off of your order. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that could be fun too, @GrooveMama. Okay, peeps, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!